Today, we're going to focus on recovering our bodies and restoring our muscles so that we can push through our next workouts. So come on down to your mat and find child's pose position. Come to your natural breath and allow your awareness to come inward. It's just you and your mat today. Just really settle in here. Go ahead and reach over to the right. You'll feel a nice stretch in the side here, and just breathe. And walk it over to the left, and again, just breathe, feel that stretch. Breathe into those areas of tightness. Now you're going to come up to tabletop position, and we're going to do some cat-cows. So as you inhale, your head lifts up, take a nice arch in the back. Exhale, send the belly button up to the spine. Just take a couple rounds here. You're going to raise the right hand and roll out that wrist. And then you're going to thread the right hand through and put pressure down on that shoulder, stretching out that shoulder. And again, just breathe. Taking it over to the left side, roll out that left wrist. And when you're ready, thread it through. And again, find that comfortable spot and just breathe into those tight areas. Next, you're going to come up and we're going to find some back bends here. So you may reach for your heel, you may reach for your calf. But inhale as you stretch long and exhale through the center, coming side to side here. Again, inhale as you stretch long and exhale as you come through the center. And then just go ahead and find that back bend and just hold it. And throughout our practice today, remember that a little discomfort is okay. Pain is not okay. You're the best teacher in the room, so really feel what feels good in your body. And again, discomfort's okay, pain is not. Come up to that downward facing dog. And again, just breathe here, reaching those heels down to the mat, soften in the shoulders. Going into our Sun A, you're going to take a bend, step to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, look up. And exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. Take a slight back bend here. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, step the hands, step the feet back, high to low push-up. Inhale, thread the heart through. Exhale, send the hips back, downward facing dog. Taking a few breaths here. So we want to seal our lips throughout this practice to really keep the heat within the body. So really throughout our practice, try to keep your lips sealed. Again, starting again. Take that hop forward, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, gaze comes up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, take that slight back bend. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or hop the feet back, high to low push-up. This is called your chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, find your breath. Continuing to keep those lips sealed, I'm also going to talk about our core lock. This is called your Uddiyana Bandha. So really throughout our practice, focus on sucking the belly button up and in. And we're going to go ahead and do a couple more sun A's here. Step or hop to the top of your mat. You're going to inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, look up, exhale, side, bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, side, bend to the left. Inhale, take that back bend maybe a little further, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen, exhale, chaturanga, high to low. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, find that breath. Taking it again, inhale, hop forward, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Take that side bend on the right. Inhale, back to center, side bend to the left. Take that back bend maybe a little bit further this time and take it, fold. Halfway lift, step the feet back or hop, high to low, thread the heart through, and send the hips back, and again breathe. Now I'm going to talk about the Mula Bandha, and this is your bandha at the base of your spine, and you want to keep that locked as well. That might seem a little bit weird, but keeping our energy swirling inside of us, bringing that heat. And again, sun A, inhale, rise up. Take that side bend, inhale back to center, side bend left side. Inhale back to center, slight back bend. Exhale, fold, hug those in that chest to thighs. Step back, high to low. Inhale the heart through and downward facing dog. Again, those lips are sealed. Inhale, you're going to step or hop to the top of your mat once again. Take that inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. And come hands to heart center. Now we're going to go into sun B. Draw your fingertips to the floor, press the hips back. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, you're going to take a side twist to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, step the feet back or hop, high to low push up. Inhale, thread the heart through. Exhale, send the hips back, downward facing dog. Now you're going to inhale, take your right toes high and step through those hands. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, take it to warrior two. You're going to inhale, take that slight back bend here and bring those hands down, taking that high to low push up. Inhale, thread the heart through. Exhale, send the hips back. Now the left toes go high. Step it through. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, take that warrior two. Inhale, lengthen back and take it back through your vinyasa, which is that high to low push up, that upward facing dog, and that downward facing dog. Now this is our sun A, and this is where we get into the lower body here. We've already warmed up the spine, and now we're taking things into the lower half. And once again, halfway lift, Take that chair pose and come back to center. Now we're going to go back to chair pose. Draw your fingertips to the floor, press the hips back, inhale, lift the hands up. Taking that side twist to the right, inhale back to center, exhale side twist to the left, inhale, exhale forward fold, inhale halfway lift, exhale step or hop the feet back high to low, thread the heart through, exhale send the hips back, inhale take the right toes high, exhale step through, inhale rise all the way up, exhale warrior two, inhale take that back bend and come back down, taking it through your vinyasa. Option there to float the back foot. And again, taking left toes high, exhale step through, inhale rise up, exhale warrior two, inhale take that back bend and cartwheel the hands. Again, option to float the back foot and taking it through that vinyasa back to that downward facing dog, finding your breath here. You can tell that we are moving a little bit quicker now as well, and that is to create more heat within the body. Remember your Uddiyana Bandha, suck that belly button up and in, and we're going to start again. Hop forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Taking that chair pose and come back to heart center. Draw the fingertips down to the floor. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, side twist to the right. Inhale, side twist to the left. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step or hop the feet back. Take that vinyasa. Inhale, take those right toes high. Exhale, step through, plant the back heel. Taking it to that warrior two, take that back bend, taking it all the way down to the floor. Again, option to float that back foot if you would like. Taking it through your vinyasa, taking the left toes high, step it through, plant the back heel, inhale, rise up, exhale, warrior two, inhale, lengthen and come down, taking it again through that vinyasa, finding that downward facing dog. Again, breathe. And starting again, step or hop to the top, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold, inhale, taking it to chair pose and back to that heart center. Once again, chair pose, inhale the arms up, exhale, side twist. You can pop that left heel and pop that right heel, getting really into the glutes there. Exhale, fold, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, take that vinyasa all the way through. You should feel comfortable now, taking those right toes high on that inhale, step it through, plant the back heel, inhale, rise up, exhale, warrior two, lengthen, and come all the way down, taking it through that vinyasa. And again, taking left toes high, step it through, plant the back heel, inhale, rise up, exhale, warrior two, inhale, lengthen, come all the way through that vinyasa. And again, breathe. Remind yourself, keeping those lips sealed, sucking that belly button up and in. And start again. Step or hop to the top, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, fold. Chair pose, exhale back to heart center. Draw your fingertips down, chair pose, inhale, lift those hands up. Take that side twist, you can pop that left heel, inhale back to center, maybe popping that right heel, back to center, forward fold, halfway lift, step or hop back, take it through your vinyasa, taking those right toes high,